good. No mess. I will come soon.
Okay, Mom.
We will be good.
She is gone. Don't do anything. Freedom! Okay, just little fun. Catch this.
No! Okay, wait.
This is fun. Best day ever. Speed. No, no, careful. Oops. Wow. This is big mess. No kitchen. Too late. Chocolate party. You are crazy.
Best day ever.
Yes, but little scary. Did you hear that? No, maybe.
What is this?
We just played only little.
Clean. Everything. Now. Oh no. We are finished.
This is too much. We have to do it. This is too much. And the girl responds in a resigned tone.
Hurry. Almost done. Cleaning is not fun.
Mom does this every day. Mom works a lot. Yes. Now it looks good. Finally.
Good, but don't do it again.
We won't. We missed you.
A lot. Now behave.
Okay, Mom.